Hey guys, welcome to another video. Cuinix here. So before starting out the video today, I'd like to thank you guys, whoever have supported me so far. I know this being my 50th video on YouTube. About last year, I can't remember what the month was. I think around June, July, August. Yeah, I invited a friend. To an event, the WRC event Safari Rally, and at that time I didn't have a camera, so I borrowed her phone because my phone was really crappy back then, and it's still crappy right now. So yeah, I borrowed her phone and I told her I was going to make a vlog. I didn't think anything of it. I just talked to the camera, took photos of some cars and talked about some cars. And that video, was my first vlog, and I realized I could actually do it. So I posted it. I wasn't sure. I just edited it on some secondary software I had in the computer, and on the phone I just merged them and made my first vlog. Yeah, and 50 videos down the line, we are here. So staying true to what what this channel entails, I decided to make my 50th video just like the way I made my first video. No intro, no background music. Okay, I think there was some background music. Yeah, just no intro, no nothing. That's why I decided to make this video. So staying true to what I had started, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a flat tire. So as you can see, it got a little bit of scuffle the other day. I think it's messed up the tire a little bit, and in the morning it was almost flat. Never drive on a flat tire. Always change out your tire when you have a flat or a slow. It's never good to drive on your rim. It will curb the wheel all round. So yeah, so this being a Paso, the spare tire is located at the back section of the car, where you open the boot underneath this cover. Yeah, there's some things you need in a car, and a first aid kit is one of them. Please always have that, as always. So there are things you need, like the jack, the wheel spanner for opening the bolts, and yeah, just the wheel spanner, the jack. That's all you need. And yeah, okay, so let's take that out. So yeah, and another thing you always need in a car, fire extinguisher. They're usually really helpful. You never know when a fire will break out in your car or do some electrical stuff or something. So yeah, and lifesaver, if you're stuck on the road, maybe you have a flat tire on the road, make sure you place this around like 10 meters from your car on both ways, from in the front or in the back. They usually come in 2 pairs, for the front of the car or the back of the car. If you're in an intersection, on the side, it depends with your situation of the car, just to alert motorists that you have some car problems. Okay, so this is the jack. Basically this is used to lift up the car. Yeah, and this is the spare tire, and this is let's just place that there. And this is the spare tire. In this case, the spare tire is usually secured into place by this, but it's easily removable. We just spin it around like so, and voila, your spare tire is free. So yeah, and the spanner. So here we have the jack to jack up the car. Here is the spanner, wheel spanner. make sure yours matches the thread pattern on the one on your car with the bolts on the one on your wheel. Yeah, basically these two connect to make one, as I said before. Yeah, like so. And the spare tire. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. First of all, if you're on an incline like here, make sure you always have the brake, the parking brake on, so that the car doesn't roll back on you, or in any case, or so that the car doesn't hurt you in any way. So what you want to do, you want to open this in a cross pattern. Basically, this one first, this one second, this one third, this one fourth. And if you're closing up, you'd repeat the same procedure, for torquing down the bolts. So let's start to this one. Little detail that I forgot in the video. Please, when you're placing the jack, make sure you locate these lines that are right under the door, under the the side skirt. They're called pinch welds. Place the jack where the groove is, and match it up with the pinch weld, so that the jack is secured in place. Yeah, just something I forgot on the video. So with the jack up, you want to get a little bit, you don't need to go high as much, but just to have some space, you can pull out the tire as a whole unit. So now you can loosely take out your bolts like so. Let's see, like so. Oops. So yeah, that is our first bolt. I am going to take all of this out in the same pattern that I opened them. So yeah, so these are my 4 bolts. I always keep this safe. If you're somewhere, just pick them and put them in the car, just somewhere safe, because if you lose one, you'd be in a lot of trouble. So yeah, it's never safe to drive with like 3 or 2 bolts. You might lose a tire on the road, which is not bad. People die from that. Die. So yeah, okay, with that, just easily take off the tire and place it at a safe distance away. Yeah, safe distance. So next, pick up your spare tire. This is hard work. Yeah, and let me set you guys down on the tire so that you can see how so basically hold it into 2 places. This is how I recommend, because it always works perfect for me. Yeah, it always works perfect for me. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so I hold it in 2 places and line up bolts, and voila. So what you want to do now is take 1 bolt and loosely thread it in. Like so, and take another one, go across it and thread it in. So you have like that, and as you can see, the tie is secured. So yeah, as I said, the wheel is secured. Make sure it's not rattling, so you can loosely attach the other bolts. cringe moments. So after that, make sure you start tightening them with the same pattern you open them with, which is a cross pattern. Let me set you out right there.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
And that's how you change a tire. Always remember to check your limit, the pressure of this, the limit, the maximum. This is not meant to take you like so far, so it has a limit to how fast you can drive on this. So yeah, and the pressure you're supposed to inflate it. Always keep this tire under pressure, and like you always keep like checking up on it. It has instructions all over. So yeah, as you can see, temporary use only. Do not run this for more than 2 days or even one. So yeah, let me test it out. As you can see, it's good enough to drive on. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I knew it's super weird. I placed no intro, no, I did not overlay music, but basically it's a simple video. It entails what I'm trying to do with this channel. I don't just want to make videos for the fun of it. I want to pass information to you guys that will help you, yeah. So that's how you change a tire. Easy stuff. Hey guys, I'm going to show you my new whip. Look at my new car. Yeah. Look at my new car. But you can't touch it. I can touch it. I think I touch it. You can.